So SAP guidelines, this is basic guidelines. Every consultant must know um, how to use SAP screen. Basic guidelines for all SAPians, I can say. Okay. This basic information before going to start SAP S4HANA MM concepts, it would helpful to know SAP application because we use daily basis. So this is very important to know step by step process. So let me go through this my screens. See, this is VMware workstation. So for demo purpose, we use this one. And real time, this SAP logon setup, this client and servers, the GUI. There is, I will show you all the this. This installation will be done at the workstation by admin team. You no need to do anything. So after you are get installed in your system, this is VM workstation. How to open it, how to close it, how to get your SAP screens. I'll give you a step-by-step process. You can go through. Okay. First, right click on this, open.
Guru,
Yeah.
is it required to note down?
Or not required. You can go through. I'll give you step-by-step process, and this recording will be available.
Okay.
Um, I will be making note pin to pin so that
Okay.
it will be useful for you.
Yeah, yeah, thanks, Guru.
The same notes will be available in your materials also.
Okay, okay, fine, no issues.
Right. So what we do is right click on VMware, open, or double click on the screen also. This will display. This will get installation will be done by Kumar sir. Okay. A real time admin department will be get it done. So click on power on this virtual machine. Click on it. System will get inside of another window will open. Right. Once you get into, there is a the top. This is a screens. Click on this full screen mode, and there is SAP Management Console. Right click on this. Open. After getting to your PC, another window. This will be open. Under that SAP Management Console, right click on it. Some fraction of seconds, system will get login. Right? So this get it pop up automatically, and you can right click on this SAP HP7 GST. Right click on all tasks, start. Okay, click on OK. Okay, the password would be welcome, only welcome. Whatever admin given password you can, and then expand this Y01, expand it. My ECC 41, expand it. So then first it would be blank, then it will become yellow, then this will become green. See now, this will get, click on AS ABAP WP tables. This will be blank now. To become this, first it would be blank, then it will be new, then it will be run, then it will be wait status. Until this, you have to click on refresh. See now, new. Then click on this, It will change some fraction of seconds only. See now, blank, new, then status became run, then wait. So until you have to refresh like this. See now, this all become green. Okay. Uh, yes. There is a two instances in run status until the status all become wait. You have to refresh it. It will change. Okay. Give some time. It is processing. Okay. All right. Go. Okay. Just give some time, then it will get changed.
Guru, what are all these things like? Is the servers are
Yes, this is server setup. Becomes to start your SAP logon pad.
okay?
For that, we need to this to the
Probably maybe
activities
we
to
need to
be
connect all the servers, I guess.
right. This different types of the background activities.
Okay.
This technically we don't know how it
Okay.
runs.
Okay.
It will become run by this time. Click on this. Right click on this. Go to show the desktop. Okay. After you successfully run SAP Management Console, then SAP Logon Pad is available here. Okay, right click on this, open. Okay, click on Logon. This is server. In within server, there will be number of clients will be there like this. Okay, if I close it, this is a, if you see this view, okay, how to see this views, and if you go properties, there will be connection, how it has been, application servers instances, it has been done by admin department. You no need to know this. By default, when you click on SAP logon, open it, then log on. See now, this is getting to log on. Within server, whatever I shown, these clients will be there. One server can have number of clients. Okay. Now this user ID password um, during your demo system will be given installation person, and after you joining any company, by default setup will be done by admin team, and they will give it to you. Okay, this as of now I'll give password.
Sir, what is the client 800?
This is a demo system. They have given for practice purpose.
Okay, okay, like a manufacturing unit, like a 500 and
They
so
have
on.
own
Yeah,
servers. Clients will be there. Development
yeah, yeah.
server, quality and production. I will explain those. What is client server use? Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So real time, once they have set up system, they will give to you. Then by default, if you click, and the screens will appear. Those activities you no need to perform. Since a learning stage, it is a demo system. We need to log on this. That's why we follow those methods. All right. Right. Now this is a SAP screen. This has splitted. See this part, the top, this part is called menu bar, and this, the blinking, right? This part is command bar. This is standard toolbar, right? It has been splitted. Let me show you, because if I drag this, you will confuse. Now look at this, right? Visible to everyone, right? If you see this one, after logging this SAP screens, the first screen would be, this is the screen. This we call highlighted. This is menu bar. There are many options. I will explain one by one. The below one, the command field which is highlighted, we can execute transaction code, and future classes you will come to know. And the rest of this all icons called standard toolbar. And the SAP easy access, this is title bar. Based on screen, based on transaction, it will get changed. I'll explain practically. Then below to easy access, there are icons will be there. This called application toolbar. And end of this, after execution of any command, whether success or failure, we can see in the SAP screen, where this will display under the screen. We can call it status bar, whether it is a success or failure, in progress, dump error. There are many sort of results will come. This will display here. We call it as status bar. Okay, one more time. See now, this, the top dialog box, the window, right? We called as menu bar. There are options will be there. It consists of options like menu, edit, favorite, extra, system help. The below to this, we called it as command field. We can execute transaction codes. Shortcut we called as T codes. And the very next side of all these icons, we call the standard toolbar. I will explain. And this is easy access based on screen. Executable T codes, this will display. Whether you are purchase order screen or Miro screen, whichever screen you are executing here commands, based on this it will populate. And below to SAP EC screen, these all icons we called it as application toolbar. And after execution, the result will pop up. The down side of this page we call the status bar, whether it is success or failure. Okay, I will show you one by one. You can understand it. Okay, right. Go to full screen mode. Right, this is menu bar. The first screen itself. See now, if you click menu, where SAP has given two menus. One is SAP standard menu, this, and you want your own user menu, you can settle. See now, this is SAP menu. If you want to customize, we can expand it. If user daily basis they work anything, they can set up apart from this user menu. See this called user menu. If you want something your own you are doing, you can execute. We can set up user menu, specific user daily based whatever you do task, we can create it. This is user menu. The SAP menu means by default SAP has given irrespective of modules. They can expand each one of this. They can execute whatever they do, daily based tasks. It could be anything. See now, logistic. If you expand it, this is a material management module, sales and distribution, logistic, production. Likewise, all modules will be there. It's part of logistics. See now, whichever you want daily basis, you can execute like this. So create, double click, the screen will appear. It is very easy to execute any of the executable transaction codes. Okay, this is a purpose of this. See now, this screen title has been changed. Create purchase order screen it is. And menu bar also changed based on your application whichever you are open. Okay. Now, if I want to get back, you know, this back. Okay. This is get back. I'll execute slash. Okay. This is SAP easy access. This is normal screen. Okay. User, they can customize daily tasks, transactions, reports, web addresses if they want. User menu. And SAP means standard SAP provided many modules, all the installed in your system. This is called menu bar. If you don't want, you can collapse it, or if you want to expand, you can click on like this. See? All right, got it? This is menu. Workplaces create roles. This is admin work. You no need to do this. Okay. Next, edit. Edit means this is under menu. System allow to edit components of the current objects. You want to edit something. See now, suppose I'm going to one screen like purchase order screen. Okay. Suppose I'll create this one. This one. Okay. Now, if something modification required under this, if you go here, execute, then you can modify any of the material quantity. Since you don't know screen functionality, you can edit or select, copy this activities will done. If you click on execute, see now it will execute to this particular transaction where we can see under edit button, this one, like this. Here also edit will be there. So, if you want to cancel, it will come back. Then, without disturbing this transaction, if you want to go new screen, see now, execute new window. Now see now, go. Which means previously existing screen will be there, and you additionally system pop up one more screen, like see now, it is previous screen. Once I executed this without disturbing this screen, system open another screen. This is a new screen. You can do whatever activities you want to create it. That is the purpose of under edit execute new window. Okay. Next, create shortcut on the desktop. Choose any T code here. I am choosing ME21N to open any window or session. See now, it will be there. Shortcut on the desktop. If you want to see this one, go to desktop. See now, vendor supply, it will be saved here under your desktop. If you open directly, it will executable. See now, it is executed. Right? This shortcut we can create through by doing this activity. See now, create shortcut. If you don't want, go back to desktop. You can delete it at any time. Yes, the shortcut not been there. If you see this one, you don't have this shortcut. If you want again, click on create shortcut on this desktop. Automatically this pop-up will populate. This is status bar. We can see this. Whatever activity you do, result will pop up on this status bar. Now go to show desktop. See now, from here directly you can execute this screen. See now, I'll open this one. Already it is blinking, which means it is populated again. Okay, this is very basics. Everybody should know. Daily basis we use this screen. That is a purpose of this. Now, menu bar. Third one is favorite. If you see, there are many transaction codes. If you want to add to remember every time, if you are unable to recollect the transaction code which you execute everyday basis, once you add favorite, see now, I added new favorite list. Something, see, favorite you added, this will be there forever unless you are delete from this favorite. See now, I will delete if you don't want. Go delete favorite. It's gone. Okay. If you want to add, see now, right click on favorite. Either you do this here or you click here, right click on this, insert either folder or transaction, then it will be there forever. Suppose insert folder, I'll give S4 HANA MM. Okay. Under this, you want to keep all the transactions. Since you are unable to recollect daily basis, you can add over here, right click on this. You want to transaction. Suppose ME21N purchase order creation. Add under S4 HANA. It will be there. You want to add one more. Insert a folder under this subfolder, or you can do Migo. You can add or Miro. This will be to everyday basis. You can go Miro likewise. You can add like this. Whenever you don't want, you can delete. We have option delete, edit option. Okay, you can add insert transactions whenever required. These activities can be done. Okay, right. So at the any time, see now you can use this, something you need to be changed. Any of this, you can click on this description change. Okay, something module you can edit at any point of time. See, system, either you can do these activities here itself or you can do it. If you want to move this favorite button, always, since there are SAP menus expanded, you want to top list of this, you can go, see now, move to up, expand it to this favorite, move up, um, because this up, they have inserted. Okay, okay, it is favorite list, that's right. Okay, we can expand it. Favorite should move down. I'll make it down. It has to change position on a node in the favorite list. Okay, I want to move up or like this up. So, this is how. Again, click on up. Yes, see now, this is stop. Under this favorite, you want to alignment from starting which transaction, next transaction. If you want to move up and down, you can use this one. If you down it, see now, down, this down. Then it is one more down, the last. I think it won't move up and down. Under this, whatever you have expanded under folder, you can shuffle it, top or bottom. Another one, directly you can, if you want to delete, you can right click on, you can delete like this. Or here also same option will be there. Myco, I'm going to delete like this. Again, insert folder or any other object you want to add uh, to link this web page or Google, wherever free apps, you have to link up this object. Then you can click, it will be there. You can give business role, which link directly it will trigger to free apps URL based. Then these activities will be done based on you are clicking add other object. This will be linked to somewhere you want to Google link, free apps link, future classes URL. If you need to add use the execution purpose, we can add over here. Okay, and down PC, this is not required as of now. Okay, this is see, we want to download into PC desktop, wherever you want, you can do this activities, not required as of now. See now this one, download and upload something from here to SAP menu list, you can add it, or you want to download something list, you can download. This is a shortcut. Okay, that is a favorite. If you don't want it anytime, you can delete it. This, see now, entirely it will get deleted. Now favorite is just favorite. You can add if you want to something. All right. Right. Next, extras. This is administration purpose. Okay. Not required. Wherever we involve, those topics I will highlight. Next, display documents. If you want a list of things, say for example, this one, you want to display some document related to this. Either we can see as of now it is not available for this. Now remember this. This is dummy system. Then it is not added any document. Then technical, see now, if you click on this technical settings, you can see what the purpose of this transaction code and create purchase order and where area menu has been saved. These details we can see. If you don't want this to be displayed here, go settings. Okay, you don't want to see the technical names of this object, uncheck this one, go. You cannot see now. See now, logistics, the same transaction you can go, purchasing, purchase order. See now, create, previously it was technical name was there. Now it is not displaying because we have removed under extras settings. If you remove this display technical names, you can replace it. See now, if you go again logistics, material management, purchasing, you can expand it. See now, technical names appearing here. You can do these activities. Okay, under settings. Okay, the first one, so we'll go by one by display favorite and end of the list. If you want to display, you can check this one, which is favorite. Before we did, right? See now, this favorite. If you want, go display favorite at end a list, you can check this one, or else you can uncheck this one. This will come to first. You want end or you want to top list you want. This is user specific. You can design however looks like. So that's why it is previously it was under bottom, then it is and top. If you want to replace it, go here, settings, You want to display favorite. At end of the list, click on this. See now, it is bottom. Because it is preference where you should be keep on this. Because every object you are not working. You are a priority daily basis task. You want to put it in the top, then you can make it uncheck off this, then it will be there. Whatever you want insert transaction, you can add here whichever you want, like this. Not only this, you want to make you want to something add Miro, like this. As you know, again, if you want to tap again order wise, you can move on up. One more up. Okay, the serial wise, you want to up movement of this, go select on that. Then now this is one screen, this is one screen, double click on this, directly system display this application. See now it is executing. See now this is executable, right? Come back. This is a normal screen. That is the purpose of the settings, where you want to top or bottom. Now, the second one, you want the eye to not display menu, only display favorite, because you are confusing now. So why unnecessarily, if I'm not working daily basis, why it has to display? This is just like your mobile. However, you want to a screen appears, then you can set up as per your wish. Similarly, the system also once hand over to you to work daily basis, which color you want, where to display, what needs to be added, that is your decision. Now I don't want display menu, only display favorite, only I don't want SAP menu. This is useless. I'm not working daily basis, then why it has to display? Then do not display, you can put like this. See now, you cannot see. Got it? Getting?
Yeah, got it. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, got it, sir.
Yes. This video will share you, then you can go through once or twice. Once again you have any concerns, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, right. Now I will make it replace the same, uncheck this. Once you click on continue, then this will display again. Okay, that is the purpose of this settings. And do not display pictures, just like your first screen, however you want, right? So now you don't want display this picture. SAP demo system, the best run demos run IDES. This you don't want. Go to extras, settings, then click on this. Go. See now it is not displaying this. If they want to insert new, then you can. Moreover, this screen can drag left you want or right side you want. However you look like, you can design this. There is a center one icon will be there. Put the cursor, the symbol will pop up. Then you can drag wherever you want. Some people visible purpose, they want to clear on this. You can expand like this, like this. How to set up this bold letters, small, medium, or big letters, I will explain after this. This adjustments will be done under settings like this. You want to display again, uncheck this one, continue. See now it is displays, right? Now last one, see now This already we discussed. Set up shortcut transaction means by default when you create any orders, by default you wanted to say, see now, instead of one screen, I want every time to be created, set as a transaction code. See now, when I close this, okay, yes. Now log on the screen, open, log on, click on this, then give password, enter. See now by default this screen will display, which is we have done ME21. You can see right corner bottom. See now below right corner, see ME21. I have set up as by default, where slash, and if you go extras, I set transaction every time. By default screen should be appear in ME21N. Then if you set up this, it will display like this. If you remove this activity, will not performs. See definition of transaction reset means next time this screen only by default it will appear. If you want to test, log off, okay, log on again. Just it is a preferences. Functionality is same, but however you want to design your screens, you can do it. Go. See now, normal screen. If you set up here, set transaction by default, by opening which transaction screen you want to appear, you can set by default. This is the purpose of this. Next, this system and help, this both every screen, this will be there by default. This we called GUI, graphic user interface. This window SAP by default putting everywhere. Generic anything required, you can get it on this. So that's why they have given. System and help. They have many functionalities. See, without disturbing this screen, if you want to open new screen, we can do it like this. See, this is another screen. If you want one more screen, you can go. See, another screen. Now total 3 screens are there. At the same time, if you want to close this, you can use close. See, now 2 will remain. You want one more, you can close. So 1 would be there. This is only 1. So we use like this. And user profile, our data, whoever do daily basis transaction, our historical user ID password should be there, SAP user. The setup we can do it here. This you no need to do. Real time they will be doing basis team. You no need to use this all facilities. And this one more important is status under systems in menu bar. If you want to see the status of the system when it is logged in, see now which date, which time, and system time, and which language you are running, and who logged in, which client, this all details we can see. It has set up program. Every program behind this has been set up by the admin department. Okay, database MS SQL using, you can see. Okay, this all the technical name of the system details we can see here, which system using which version and all. You can see this technical, you don't need to learn now. You can close it. Then another facility is under system log off. If you want to log off from this screen, if you click on this, this will give one prompt message like this. If yes, log off, you can log off. See now, like this. If you want again login, click on this. Then you can log in normally. Okay. Okay, that is the purpose of this. Mainly, new GUI window open, close, and status and log off. This features we should know. Next, help. It is very generic from SAP. Whatever new updates, new SAP notes release. If you want the help, then you can get it. Srinivasulu, do you have any questions, Srinivasulu?
Yes, Guru. Guru, do we? I mean, we can do log off from the only. That is the only option to do the log off.
No, we have. I will explain. There
Ah,
are
yeah.
a number of ways with there.
Okay.
After explaining the screens, then I will explain.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. No issues. Okay.
Right. Help under help. SAP, whatever they have releases new notes. We can see this as of now trending notes. You can see it will execute to the screen. Real time, you will have the release latest notes. We can see under this. As of now, they won't give access for you. So that's why every screen you have application learning content from SAP, whatever content you want to learn, this will trigger to the Google. Then you can, as of now, there is no access since it is a dummy system. Real time, you can get help. SAP library. This they'll give access once you join any company. SAP service marketplace. As of now, there is no, because inside of your SAP screen, Google not activated. This one not activated. That's why it's not coming. Otherwise, it will populate all this. This is a setup how it should be done. This is menu bar functionalities. Next, we learn this menu functionalities. Then the below of this, the first one is enter instead of you're using normal enter. If you execute any transaction MA21N, then click on enter, it will be executable. Instead of hitting on enter screen your laptop, you can use this one, enter screen. If you see now, something I want to execute, instead of hitting enter, this icon, if you press this one, it will be log on to this. This we called as command field, which we can use this command field to execute any transaction to start any business application without navigating through menu like a favorites or SAP menu standard they have given. Then you can execute here. Support purchase order you want to create. There is a transaction given by SAP. Directly you can execute like this. MA slash and MA21 and like this. Directly you can execute. So standard, if you want to go menu, then you have to go logistics and material management and purchasing. Under purchase order, you have option. Then you have to execute create under this. Then you can do. Instead, command bar anyway they have given transaction code, you can execute here. That is the purpose of this. Now this one, whatever list of command fields you have given, like transaction code, a drop down will be there. See now, like this. Whatever your executable list of transaction code you want to see, then the drop on icon, you can see this one. This list will appear here. That is the purpose we use this icon. Suppose you don't want to use this command field, you want to close, then click on this close like this. Okay, if you want to expand it, then click on this open command field, go. Now it will be appear. Okay, got it? Slowly, if you not understand, fine. After some time, daily basis, we do these tasks, you will come to know. Next,
Sir, there is any option for single sign in?
single. Yes,
Single
we can
sign in.
restrict. Yeah, we can restrict. I will show you after completion of this all icons. Okay. You have
Okay.
single you want by default 6 screens will be there. You want to 10 screens, 12 screens, 15 screens, 16 screens we can open. Okay.
No, no,
Those Hmm.
actually, I want to sign in without password.
Without password. This setup will be
Yeah.
done admin once laptop hand out to you, real-time systems. Just to click on this, whichever client you want, directly it will display. You can do this. Okay, that is
Okay.
security related issues. The admin will take care of those. You cannot set up like this in the demo system. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Now, if you see this icon, this will this save and back. This is cancel. Say for example, I'll execute ME21N to anything. I'm doing this. See now, this will be appear now. This one, after execute any transaction, if you want to save, instead of Control S, you can use this one. See, save will be enabled like this. This is a purpose we use it. And if you want to get back F3 or back, so click on this, you will go to previous screen. See now, click on it. Now previous screen. This, if you want to log off your system, SAP system, then go off. It will go for here. Now this pop-up will appear. If you click S, then log off. Okay. That is the purpose of this. This is also cancel button. When you execute, suppose something, if you want to cancel this entire screen and should open, exit from here, then you can click on cancel of this transaction. This is by default screen. SAP easy access means this is end user screen. Daily based transaction we will do. Our screen I will explain. Then if you want to say, for example, you have executed this one, you want to get a printout of it, then printer will be attached to the SAP system. The output will be there. Then you will give the output. It will send to the whomsoever you want to communicate. You can send it. The purpose of this, you can use this print. Next, this one, find. If you want something in SAP, I'll go back. Something you want to find, which is you have done daily basis task. Suppose ME21 name. Okay. There is a screen in backend. If you want to appear all these details, you can get it. And see now, it is highlighted. One more time, if you have some other place, see now, it will some other place it is there. System search. First menu, what you want, you can search it. ME21N like this. See now, this is highlighted over here. Apart from this, if you hide it, whether there is another ME21 is there, another place, then you can click on this one. Find next. Some other place ME21 is there. Go. See now, it is highlighted. If there are some other places, see now, create purchase error here is there. Some other places, then go. Like this, it will keep searching. First one content is searched, and is there same content another place, externally it will check. Yeah, Arish, do you have question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Um, Actually, it will be searched by only title or any keyword. Like inside the subfolder, I made some changes, or
Okay.
I entered some product name.
Okay.
I can able to search the those product name as well, or only title.
Only titles and transaction codes. So for your question, suppose I'll give goods receipt. Okay, goods receipt. Okay, enter. So system checking. Whatever you have, see now, goods receipt. It is depends again. Goods receipt, see, wherever it is there, first goods receipt is there. Some other place, if it is there, system continue search it. Go. See now, here it is there. Again, some other place, here it is there. You can technical word you can, or words basis you can. It is again depends on which we have done right here. Mm, where it is, you want you don't want technical name, again it won't search by technical name migo. If your technical name checked, then your technical name as well as this description both system will check, like this however we are doing now. See now it will go on wherever places goods receipt you are searching, then it will be keep searching till it is ends. Got it, Harish?
Yes, Guru, but my point is,
Hmm.
here all folders and subfolders are there, no?
Right.
Logistic, can just click on logistic folder,
Okay.
and inside the material management
Yes.
and valuation,
Va-
purchase or anyone,
oh, yeah,
any,
okay. Valuations.
uh,
Yes.
and we by end of the report, we entered some details inside the uh,
Balance sheet.
yes,
Okay.
can open it.
Okay.
And we entered some data inside the sheets, right? Like
Okay.
yeah,
Something you have entered. Okay. This
I
prepare.
made some changes and
Okay. You need.
yeah,
Okay. You made some changes,
uh,
and by technical name you want or description wise you want.
yes. If you know the technical name,
Yeah.
you can directly search in the
Yes.
field.
Yes.
And so inside the sheet, we made some changes like
Okay. Yeah.
uh,
I'm executing. Okay. You have done this something changes.
yes,
Material company code or plant you did something, you want to search in here, you're asking.
yeah. Is it
No,
possible or not?
that is not possible because that is inside of transaction. You are giving in details of master data, those we cannot. Only titles and with the transaction codes, whatever technical names and description, we can search.
Okay.
Okay.
And I have one more doubt.
uh,
I got the solution for this
yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
And before that, you said we can delete some subfolders or technical names or something.
Yes.
If you don't want MRL6, you can
Yeah.
directly go and delete it.
Right. Yes.
So if we unfortunately I deleted uh, by different one, is it
Okay.
possible to retrieve the deleted file?
Retrieve always possible, yes. Well, see, delete option standard. If you try to delete, there is no delete options here.
Yeah.
SAP never gives. Suppose any standard, if try to delete this one, even you cannot get those options. You see now, I'm clicking on right click. I'm trying to delete. Open folder, it is coming, but delete option, it is not there. Okay, favorites you can delete and add, but standard this you cannot delete this anywhere. System never showing delete option if you observe this one. And your menu under whatever you do and your added favorites can be deleted anytime, but standard by default given task or whatever they have given modules wise, it cannot be deleted. Got it?
Yeah, got it. If
Yeah.
it's already deleted,
Okay.
where we can go and retrieve it.
Okay. If you are real time, you are delete something you want to retrieve, there is a archiving team where all deleted whatever task deleted,
Okay.
they will retrieve back by the team, separate team will be there. They will back and they can replace it.
So I'm going to connect with IT and
Yes,
have to
not
clear the.
IT, that is separate, like a technical team will be there. Archiving team, we called it as. If your business important data by default deleted by user, you want to get back, or very old data, 2 years, 3 years data, some customers come back or complain something, and they'll want to retrieve back. The archiving team will be there. They will get back.
Okay.
Okay, those facilities will be there.
Okay. If we deleted in the test environment is also same process.
Right. This also we can retrieve back.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Okay. Right. Good. Now, the next one. This top screen, whichever you want to top screen, you want to search criterias, whatever you do have, you want to go top or page by page, see now like this, or down or complete down. If we have these 3 pages, the first page, yes, wherever you're clicking. Next, page by page, if you want certain tasks, then page down like this, and completely last page you can see here. Okay, this is a purpose of this. Daily basis, whatever do task, we can do it. This icons. Now this one, without disturbing current screen, if you want to open new screen, system able to open this screen. See now, which means previous screen, and additionally able to open new session like this. See now, it is there. If you want to one more, by default, system performs 6 screens. See now, likewise 3. I want to one more. Okay, you can use this. You can use like this, and one more also you can use like this. See now, maximum number of GUID sessions reached. See now, however, I'll explain how to increase screens. If you want to 10 screen at a time, if you want to work, or 15 screen up to 16 screen, we can extend that. I will explain after this. Okay, next shortcut, generate shortcut. You want to specific transaction code to be displayed every time in your screen. However, I have explained previously. Then you can desktop browser, you can set up shortcut by clicking on desktop. It will appear by default. The standard 800 client is by default. We'll put it. Instead of you want to make it this ID is different, ME21N, we can set up this one, but don't do this one, because we can change by default. Given task, will let it be. Next, help always, whatever help needed, how to execute transaction codes, and how to open new screens, terminate screen, all screen, single screen. I will explain in details. This command, some they have given. I'll give lot of things after explanation of this. You can get the help of it. And customize local layout. This how to be appeared. You want to bold, small letters, medium or big letters, and the screen colors, however you want to visibility, then you can set up on this. Click on local object, right? Options. Then you want this to be bold, italic, regular, and you want to make it this font size, however you want. We can set up in WhatsApp or your laptop. You can choose however you want to display. Then we can set up this. If you activate, this will be appears as a bold, and based on size of the letters will be appear more. As of now, I kept 15, so that's why this size it is coming. Right? Not only that, you can see which theme you want. See now, SAP by default they have given crystal theme. This is different screen. You want enjoy theme, this is a appears. If we activate this, suppose I'm activate um, blue crystal theme, apply, okay, then log out the system, log it off, okay. However, previously we had the screen will not appear. This will be separate screen. See now, this is a very different screen. This is user specific. SAP releases a new format. You can activate it. So now, this is separate screen. If you wanted this or signature you want or curve theme, you can see look like how it's going to be. Signature theme. As of now, we are working on this. You want to enjoy theme or you want to system dependent theme or you want to trade theme, however you look like classic theme. Likewise, I'll put in this signature by default, font size, and which color you want. System colors also we can design however you look like, and title however you want to display, and you can choose all this. Not only here, and whenever we do daily basis, I will explain this as all the purpose of this, okay, so that you can use the same. Okay, I will be putting replacement of the signature thing, SAP signature, apply, okay. Now close, yes, close, then go back, open, log on, then normal screen, replaced all settings by click on options. If you want all the shortcuts you want to see, there is a SAP GUI help, click on it. Then whatever we discuss, the basics SAP all screen related, we can see whichever you want. GUI selection screen and shortcuts, whatever I discussed, all this password resets, log off, how to set up servers, these details will be there, pin to pin, all the functionalities. You can go through. If you have patience, you can go through like this. See now, SAP GUI help. Graphic user interface. This. Okay. This is standard toolbar. Next, below to this title bar. This is SAP Easy Access. This is end user used. The screen. Suppose consultant I'm use ME21 and screen. This title will change. See now, purchase order. I want, suppose my go. This is display material document. See, title will get changed here. You observe title. This is a title bar. This is replaced in feed apps in S4HANA. I will explain that is also. Title bar displays the name of the application, business process you are currently working on. So those based on the executable transaction code, it will change. Next, below to this you can see this one, menu bar, SAP menu, user menu. This whatever we are discussed under this, the same will be there here also. Other menus and all. We can see this role setup, and this favorites, whatever we discuss, add, deletion, you can do here also. Selecting this one you want to add, this already added this favorites, you can see this menu tree they want to display, or you want to delete, see now, delete, you can do it. Something added, you want to something modify, again you can do ME21, then only it will apply. See now, change favorite. You want to change something, purchase order, something I'll give creation. Creation. See now, I'll change this one. Or I don't want, you can delete. Or add some more, you can add it like this. Okay. This is your favorite to be moved down or up. This is again, you have this menu option as we discussed here, move up and down. This one, since there is only one, you can add it. This is document assign users, we use this one. You want to create role, this is technical part, you no need to do this one since not required as of now. Come back. Okay, then as I said, below this easy access, we have status bar here, whether success or failure or information message, warning message, error message. Once you execute this one, suppose I'm saving, this will pop up this information message. This is not done, it is information. If something successfully done, then it will show successfully completed. The number will be generated. This located at the bottom of the SAP screens here. It displays important system messages such as errors or success, completion, and information warning message and all pop up over here. All right, that is the purpose of the screens. Every screen it has built with the program. See now, bottom of page right corner, you can click on this, which transaction you are. Suppose I'm executing purchase order. So which system, server, client, the user, program, okay, which transaction, which time you are logged in, all this information will be there here. If you want to close this one, you can close off this. Now see, it is closed. If you want to open this, you can open. Okay, right. Come back. You got an idea overall what is menu bar, command field, and standard toolbar, title bar, right? Status bar. How to add favorites and delete favorites, modify favorites, what SAP by default has given, how to use this icon to find some transaction description base, technical name wise, right? So this is a very basic, very important. Apart from this, we have very importantly, how many ways we can open SAP screens, how many ways you can end the screen. When you're working particular task, how to work on these screens. Suppose how many ways we can open SAP screens. Okay, screens or sessions. There will be 5 tabs will be there. Okay, to open this 5 types of screens we can open, and how many ways we can end SAP screens. Okay, how many ways we can end SAP screens or sessions. Already we discussed this one. Okay, then this will be, there is 9 types will be there. I'll explain tomorrow, it will take time. Then apart from this, by default SAP given 6 screens, how to expand more than that. Okay, how to expand SAP screens more than 6 screens. By default, 6 screens. SAP suggestion more than 6 screens. Like you want to 10 screens, 12 screen, up to 16 screen, up to 16 screens. How to enable it? This is tomorrow class. And apart from this, end user's job, consultant to what the screen he works, how to do configurations and settings. Once it is complete tomorrow, then we'll start enterprise structure tomorrow itself. All right.
Yes, Guru.